Hey, 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 it's your girl Verlinda with Miss V Designed for You with another video. This is Watch Me Work Part 3. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're taking our scoring tool. And this is a very, 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 very old cutting slash scoring board. This is original Cricut. I mean, when Cricut first came out, was their little Cricut, and almost everything was green originally. And it came with the scoring one is green, and then I can tell the difference by the points of the blade. So this one is round, more rounded, and then this point is for cutting. So we want to score this where I will have a nice cut 3 inches, so half. It's a 6-inch circle, so half is 3. And so we're going to score it, and let me make sure I got my glasses so I can see little numbers on here. So this is 3 right here. So okay, because we want to make sure we got the best corner. So I need to make sure this is on. Hopefully you guys can see this. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, yeah. Put that down there. So this is the 3 right here. Okay. And let me make sure it's on there. I should have took that little sticker off that's been on there forever and a day. Okay. Okay. So that's 3. So I got it on the back side of the embossing. I figured I would have a cleaner score if I did it that way. So we're going to score, and score. And that should give me a nice fold. Yep. A nice clean fold, you guys. And you don't want to score too hard because it will make the fibers in your paper break. So yeah. And I didn't do this exactly like, okay, yes I did. And so I'm gonna take my boning folder and get a nice clean fold, but it's gonna be like this, almost like a taco. So that's what I was saying. I wasn't really worried about the edges too much because you're really not going to be able to see those. And again, this, hold on. This is kind of going to be like this, sitting on top of the card box. Okay. Now I just got to figure out, how I'm going to have this stand. So that's why I said sometimes it's kind of hard for me to, like, I have to post stuff that's custom, and then once the person tell me like what their vision is, then I just let my creative juices flow. But it's kind of hard for me to post something for sale that's already completed, because everything is all in my head. So that's why it's important that I post things after I make them, because I don't know, it's just kind of weird how I'm wired, and usually my things are very unique, but that's my struggle sometimes. Okay, so let me see if I can show you guys how you can make anything a sticker. Let me see if I still got my little skills. Okay. So, if you're not a crafter, you may not be aware of this. This is called a Xyron. It's called a Creative Station. So they don't make this particular one anymore. It's more like a silver with a touch of green, and it's by Xyron, Xyron. And this is the 9-inch station. And let me see if I remember. Still remember. Okay, so currently I have double-sided laminate. So I'm going to put a sample piece of paper in here just to make sure that I remember what I'm doing. Okay, let me get a piece of scrap paper. Because like I told y'all, my skills is rusty. My skills are rusty because I really haven't been creating anything. So what I'm gonna do is oops. Okay, why did you do that, girl? Okay, so I'm gonna run this through. I use this thing for so long. Oh wow. Okay. Let me see if I can cut that look. So it has a cutter and everything on here. And you just run that across and it cuts it off. Okay, so let me see if this thing is still. Whoa, what the world? For some reason it keeps. Okay. It was kind of curled up. And I'm actually wasting because I could have had things all the way across here, but I just wanted to show you guys how this works. And something must be going on. The reason why my thing is wrinkled like that. But anywho, so what it does is it makes anything a sticker. Anything. Now, if I can just separate it right. Or if I have the wrong... Oh my goodness, y'all. I put the wrong cartridge in here. Wait a minute. Wait, I might be wrong. Because you can put different types of... I think I did this wrong. I really do. I think this is the laminate and not the double-sided tape. Oh, man. Yep, I think I did. Good old Verlinda. But anyway, if you want to laminate something and you don't have a laminator, right here. Like say if this was a bookmark or something. Or a business card or whatever. You want to laminate something. And this is what a lot of people use when they're making the custom plastic plates. And I guess just in case someone decides to eat on the design, whatever, they were using this laminate or the sticker paper. Let me see if I have a sticker paper cartridge. As usual, like I told you, it's very rare that I can do a live or a video and not have a blooper. Hold on. Let's see. I see magnet cartridge. I see. Oh, I think this is it right here. Permanent adhesive. I think. Make sure. Permanent adhesive. Create a bond with a strong hold. Double side. Both sides of the item. Okay. I think this is the right one. Nah, this double-sided laminate too. Yeah. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. And these things are not, these cartridges are not cheap. So I think this is it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna, and then it's right here. So that's what I got. I got the double-sided laminate in here, which is not what I wanted. And hopefully I remember how to take this thing out. Oh, crap. It's supposed to pop right out. Okay. So you see how they come together? Boom. And sticky, yep. And for some reason, I don't know why it was wrinkling right there. So something was kind of off. Man, I don't believe I bought 2 cartridges of laminate. I know the last time I purchased this refill, it was about $35. Because I know during COVID, it was on like back order. Like, because you know a lot of people were crafting during COVID. So yeah. So hopefully I'm gonna do this right. Run it through there. So at least y'all got to see. And then this machine, when I bought this machine, it was about $110. I'm not sure how much they cost now, but it's, and they make the smaller ones too. But I figure, I always say go big or go home. Okay, so I believe this is how this goes. And then you lead like this. It's pretty simple, I think. Okay, am I doing this right? Come on now. Come on now. Or am I doing this right? Should be. I think I was doing it wrong. Yeah, I was. Okay, and then it's gonna go supposedly under there. Let me see. Oh shoot. Okay, let's see. Okay, there you go. It's got a little wrinkle in it. Why? I don't know. It's in there right. So let me put another piece in here while I'm in the wasting business. Okay. Okay. So there you go. Man, why is my stuff wrinkling? Okay. So when you peel this away, you're going to have a sticker. Whoop. Whoop. So see that right there? You got a sticker. See how the adhesive is on the back? So you can make anything that will fit in this machine a sticker. So what I'm going to do is, with my 70, I'm going to run that through. Then that way I don't have to be trying to be on the struggle bus with gluing it. So we're going to put this right here, and then I'm going to put this piece. I'm trying to use every ounce of this 9 inches, y'all. Then I'm put this piece. Uh-oh, shoot. About to mess up, y'all. About to mess up. Should be right side up. Right side up. Okay. I almost had a boo-boo. Okay. So we're going to put this right side up, right side up. And then I have the miniature ones as well. And then I'm going to see if I can do... Oh, I really hate to take this off. I think I'm going to glue this just to be safe. I'm a little nervous, so let's do this, okay? Let's get this in here. Get this in here. Come on. Okay, there you go. And I'm trying not to waste, y'all, because like I said, this stuff is expensive. Okay? And these will be my stickers. Okay? So I'm trying to prep all my pieces. Ooh, I should do this one, y'all. Oh, let me see if I can do this one. Because that will really save me. Let's see. And hope and pray, and hope and pray. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see, y'all. because it's really designed for intricate stuff like this. Let's see if I can get this in here. Come on now, come on, come on, come on. Carefully, carefully, because it's got some little teeth back here. So I'm trying to make sure it don't tear up my thingy, because it's already got one boo-boo. Okay. Okay. I'm holding this piece down. I'm holding it down as best I can. Okay. Came on through, came on through. Man, I'm putting a lot of love in this box. If I didn't like this person, I would not be doing all this. Okay? Okay, so it's going to make my life so much easier. So, there you have it. Miss V have taught you guys a little something about the Xyron Creative Station. Okay, so stay tuned for watch me work, making a custom birthday card box. Watch me work in part number 4 coming up. So stay tuned. It may be a video or it may be live. So stay tuned. Until then, this is Miss V saying, please like the video. Please subscribe to my video. If you're a new subscriber here, welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you for coming back to my video. Please like, please share, please follow me on my other social media platforms. Miss V Designs, the number 4. You. Until next time, I will see you in the room on the next video or the next live. Until then, peace. Bye.